And we're just coming into a little community of Summerland, BC. Hey, do you know what? Maybe in this video I'll reveal the bike I'm getting, the new bike. I did a video a while back saying that I was going to replace Clyde, my CRF250L, with another dirt-capable bike. Perhaps a dual sport or a supermoto. Well, I think I'm going to tell you what it is. Tell you what it is I've ordered. Because it isn't in yet. And there's another delay on it. So I'm getting a little bit impatient. But there's nothing I can do about it. So I thought, well, maybe I'll talk about it. That's something. Oh, very nice. I think that's a Morgan Plus 4. I could be wrong. If it is, that's a car that I wanted to get back in 1968. But I chose to move to London, England instead. So this is it's a big highway, but you know what? It's a pretty road because of the scenery. There's Lake Okanagan there, and that extends 80 miles from where I live in Kelowna to Penticton in beautiful British Columbia. So I thought today is Sunday, it's a May long weekend. I wanted to go for a ride, so I thought, you know what, just a relaxing scenic ride. I don't care if there's traffic. So here we are. I'm probably about a little over halfway to Penticton right now. I'll pull over somewhere and I'll talk about the bike I'm going to get. I'll tell you all what it is. Yeah, so the new bike, like I said, it's delayed again. I was originally told late May, and it's late May now, but I understand that there has been an issue with the DOT approval of, get it, the reflectors. Nothing serious, but enough to hold it back, eh? So, I mean, I'm guessing, I understand, we're thinking they're in Canada, but they're being held because they've got to do an alteration, I would imagine, to make the reflectors DOT legal here in this country. I heard in Britain they had the same issue. Looking at these formations, you wouldn't think I'm in British Columbia. At least most people's common conception of Canada and BC here, if they've never traveled here. Our portion of BC is quite dry. We get less rainfall than Los Angeles in our little area, the Okanagan Valley. Okay, I just turned around and gonna head back, but I'll stop somewhere as promised. And here we are at a little spot by the lake. Okay, so I thought I'll come down to the beach here for the big reveal. A lot of you kind of figured you knew what I was going to get, like the writing was on the wall considering Clyde. So I thought I'll come to the beach and I'll write it on the sand. The writing is in the sand. Okay, is that plain as day? Is that clear as mud? You probably can't read it. Honda CRF250L. That is what I'm getting. I think it's going to be an awesome bike. So I'll go into why I decided on that. But first, I think I'll carry on with my ride. Talk about it on the way. So Honda CRF250L. Why did I choose it? Well, one, because I was very happy with the CRF250L. And the CRF250L is an entirely new bike. It's not just the 250L revised. It's actually almost entirely new. So they modified, they stroked the engine, of course, to give it more cc's, and modified the intake cam for better performance. But it has a completely new frame, and yeah, just a total redesign. And so I quite liked what they'd done with it. The price is right. I know the reliability is going to be good, and yeah, it's going to do what I want. I could have gone with the Rally, but I chose the standard 300L over it because the 300L is lighter. I believe it'll handle better because it's less weight and more dirt oriented. The Rally has a larger gas tank, but that's not really an advantage for me at the moment because I doubt very much whether I'll be modifying the 300L, apart from minor little changes, but I won't be doing any performance mods because it doesn't need it. And so therefore the gas economy will be good anyway, so I won't need more range. It'll have enough range with the stock tank. So yeah, I'm quite happy about that. I chose the non-ABS version, and again, I just don't feel the need for the ABS on that particular bike. You know, the brakes aren't that grabby and so forth, so I don't think I need it, and it's going to be mainly used for dirt where I'd be wanting to turn the ABS off anyway. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited to get it, but it's going to be a while. First week of June, maybe. I really don't know. I guess it depends on how long it takes them to sort out that reflector issue. I sure hope they don't take weeks to ship some new parts or something, and then another week to install them, and then another week to ship. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think about my choice. Tell me your thoughts. Well, this is a happening place today. This is the community of Peachland. Nice little spot right on the lake. Very popular place for people to come and hang out. Anyway, I'm going to leave you here. So, like I say, let me know what you think of my choice in the comments. Was it what you thought I'd be getting? I know most of the people thought, yeah, that's what you'll get. It's kind of predictable. Anyway, I will be making lots of videos once I get it. So, lots to look forward to, hopefully. So in the meantime, you folks, you take care, have fun, and ride safe. See you on another video.